Anonymous Dodge Sportsman 100 for Phil Barco Jr. as the cleanup crew will head to the scene. Brentley Perry will pull away as he was trying to avoid the wreckage in front of him.
Yeah, he threw his helmet up far. Whoa, what a good way to start off a 100-lap race on the first lap and a full minute.
So the caution flag flies on lap number 2. We go back to the last completed lap, so we have 1 lap completed. So the Casino Nova Scotia leaderboard shows the 4 of Aaron Moulder up in front, Mike Alexander in second, Russell Smith Jr. in third, the birthday boy, Jeff Tillman in fourth, and the 0, completing your top 5, of Frankie Frazier.
God, he was pissed when he was coming over the car.